What's up guys, welcome to this video in setting up shop. In this video I want to cover the second part of how to set up your website, and exactly how to set up your website in a way that it leaves no footprint with Google and doesn't raise any red flags or something like that. So first of all, you want to diversify the CMS. What CMS stands for is Content Management Systems. You don't really need to know that, but what an example of CMS is WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, OpenBlog, and many others. So as far as diversifying your CMS go, I love to use WordPress because it's easy to manage. I can just go into there's tons of website or plugins that allow you to manage all your WordPress sites from like one platform or something like that. So it's easy to manage. You can post content. But it sometimes leaves a small footprint with Google. It might raise a small red flag if done incorrectly. So I have built blog networks in the past which have 100% WordPress sites, but I usually try to diversify a little bit. So if I'm building a 10 domain PBN, I might have 8 WordPress, 1 Joomla, and 1 Drupal. That's the way I usually do it, to diversify a little bit, but I don't go total ham and do like 5 of Joomla, 4 of Drupal, or 1 of WordPress or something like that. Because WordPress is by far the easiest and the most reliable way to manage your blog network and keep things tidy. So, site structure. When you're actually posting content, you want to have a unique theme for each site. You don't need to go out and buy a different theme for each site. There's actually free themes in WordPress. If you just go to like the upload tab or the theme tab and then search, you can just search for a whole bunch of themes. They're all really nice and they're all 100% free if you go straight through WordPress. So it's really convenient, and it takes like 30 seconds tops to find a new theme and install. It's really easy. And 300 to 400 word article from iWriter.com related to your website. It's cost $2 or $3 to get written. It's really cheap. And try to, as I said, make the content niche relevant, meaning that if your website is like barbecue grill, make the content related to like best barbecue wings or something like that, and embed a YouTube video or image or both in the first post, and link to authority sites in your niche. I usually just go to Wikipedia, find a page related to barbecue or something like that, and link that. And then make sure you have a privacy policy and disclaimer, as this makes Google very happy. You can use a template online, or there's a WordPress plugin which you just enter your website name and then the name of the company and then your location. It makes a privacy policy and a disclaimer for you. You just go into the plugins and search for privacy policy, and it pops up to the second result. I'll go more into that on the live building, when I build a PBN in front of your eyes, because it's way easier to explain it and my internet's kind of down right now. So make sure the entire post shows on the home page and not just a preview, because some type of themes do this, where on the home page instead of having the whole post, it'll be like a small preview, like a 50-word preview, and it'll be read more, and you have to click on the link to read more or the entire article. And you want your actually money site link to be on the first page, on the home page, where all the link juice is. So most of the times there is a small setting in the themes that you can change, but sometimes there isn't, and you have to get all technical and not necessarily program, you just got to change a line of code in the PHP file. And that's actually, I know it sounds hard, but there's 2 options. You can actually go ahead and change the line of code or find a different theme. Both are pretty easy, and I'll show you how to change the line of code or which line of code to change when I do the live building of PBN. And you want to change the permalinks in WordPress. I'm sure you know how to do that already if you built a WordPress site in the past. Joomla and Drupal are kind of hard to change permalinks to, so I just leave them as is. But in WordPress, when I know how to change it, I would go ahead and change the permalinks to the post name setting. Remember, do not overcomplicate this. I see many people trying to overcomplicate this. They're like, oh, hey Farhan, should I do red or blue for this color, or green or yellow, or both, or something? I'm like, dude, just put a random color on, random theme. It doesn't matter. Just get it done. That's all that matters. So just get it done, guys. I've seen many people overcomplicate this. It kind of annoys the crap out of me. So get it done and see me in the next video. It's an optional one, but I'd recommend you watch it just in case.